Welcome my students online class. It is a good news for us to ask for that we have started our online class for the better of students. So you everybody will participate in the online class and do accordingly. Then we will be benefited in for a more. As part of online class, we will discuss today class 9 subject English second part about narration. We have some idea about narration. Now we will discuss about elaborately what is narration. Narration is the act of repeating the words of the speaker. Can you understand what is narration? Narration is the act of repeating the words of speaker. Narration is the act of repeating the words of speaker. We will remember this, and now we will discuss how kinds of narration. Direct narration and indirect narration. Direct narration means actual words of the speaker quoted. Actual words of the speaker quoted. It is direct narration. Indirect narration means actual words are transformed. Actual words are quoted in transformed. Direct narration enclosed in inverted comma. Indirect narration not enclosed in inverted comma. So now can we understand that narration is two types, direct narration and indirect narration. Now we will discuss with an example. We will discuss with example. Hannah said to me, direct narration. Said to me, it is a direct narration. Here we can see subject of direct narration, repeating verb of direct narration, object. This is reported speech, and most important parts of direct narration: subject, object, reporting verb, and reported speech. If we recognize this, it will be easy for us to transform the direct narration to indirect narration. If we change into indirect narration, it will be Hannah told me that she had seen him that day. Here we can see some changes from direct narration to indirect narration. Repeating verb changes into told. Removal of inverted comma uses that. I changes into she. Saw changes into had seen, and that day. So it is important for us that to change direct narration to indirect narration. 4 or 5 places may changes. If we list them: repeating verb, repeating verb changes, inverted comma, removal of inverted comma, person change, verb changes. So we will give more emphasis changing in direct narration to indirect, reporting verb changes, in removal of inverted comma, person change and verb changes. Now we'll discuss how we can how we'll change verb. Verb changes in reported speech. Verb changes in reported speech. V1. If main verb exists in report in direct narration, then it will be V2. V2 means past form of verb. If V2 exists in direct narration, it will be had plus V3. V3 means past participle form of verb. Main verb, past form of verb, past participle form of verb. V2 means past participle form of verbs. Am, is, are, was, were. If direct narration am is are, it will be changes into was or in indirect narration. Was, were, had been. If you find was or in the direct narration, it will be changed into had been. Direct narration had, indirect narration had. No sense. If direct narration have has, indirect narration had. Can, may. Would, might. If can or may in the direct narration, it will be changed into could, might. Shall, will. Should. Direct narration shall, will, indirect narration will be changed into should, would. If would, might, should, would in the direct narration, it will be no sense. No sense, would, might, should, would. Now we will discuss about person. How can we change person in the direct narration to indirect narration? Person change in reported speech. Mainly person change in reported speech. If first person in reported speech, it will be changed according to subject. If second person in reported speech, it will be changed according to object. If third person in reported speech, it will be changed. It will not change. So again we will discuss about person. If first person in reported speech, it will change according to subject. Second person in reported speech, it will change according to object. Third person in reported changes, reported speech, it will be no sense. So we will keep our mind son. If we change person according to son, it will be easy for us to changing direct narration to indirect narration. So we will keep our mind son, changing person. Now we will discuss about sentence. If we cannot understand what kind of sentence it is, it will be very difficult for us to changing direct narration to indirect narration. How many kinds of sentence? Many will say 3 or other will say 5, but we will discuss with according to meaning sentence. According to meaning, sentence is 5 kinds. Assertive sentence. I will know assertive sentence. Assertive is the first subject, verb, object, and last full stop. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Question mark. It is easy to know how we will recognize the interrogative sentence. Only one sign is essential for knowing interrogative sentence. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence may be started with let, please. Imperative sentence started with please or kindly or be. Last full stop. Optative sentence started with long or may. Last full stop. Exclamatory sentence last exclamation sign of exclamation. So it is easy to know interrogative sentence and exclamatory. Assertive also started with subject and full stop, ending with full stop. Imperative sentence let, please, kindly, be or V1 main verb. Optative sentence started with long, may, and lastly full stop and exclamatory sign of exclamation. So we'll easily know this how we can confirm the sentence, what kind of sentence: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory. Now we'll discuss with assertive sentence. How can we change into indirect narration? Assertive sentence. Direct narration, all kinds of sentence will be transformed into assertive sentence. It will also exist in assertive sentence. repeating verb will said or said to, said, told. Repeating verb will be said, said to, told. Removal of inverted comma, that will be used as conjunction or linkers or linking words. So we will remember that said or said to, removal of inverted comma, that we will use. Now we will discuss with the example. The man said to me, I am very tired. If we transform into indirect narration, the man said to change into told me that the removal of inverted comma, that conjunction that uses I changed according to subject, the man, that the man will be changed into proper noun, pronoun, that he was very tired. Am is changed into was or were. He, after he was used. So the man told me that he was very tired. Can you understand? It is very easy to change assertive sentence and direct narration to indirect narration. Now we will discuss another example. I like to read books. The girl said to me, I like to read books. The girl told me that I will change according to subject. First person I, the girl. Girl will be changed into she. That she like, mool verb, main verb, it will change into past form of verb. Liked to read books. The girl told me that she liked to read books. Changes occur in liked, she, that, told. For previously we discussed where the changes occur. The changes occur in said to told, removal of inverted comma, that, I changed according to subject, and it says interrogative sentence. Direct to indirect narration. Interrogative sentence changed into assertive sentence in indirect narration. Reporting verb will use as said or told. This will not use as reporting verb. Here we will use asked. Reporting verb asked. Removal of inverted comma. If we will use if the sentence started with auxiliary verb. If the sentence started with auxiliary verb, conjunction will use as if. If the sentence started with WS word, it will if the sentence started with WS word, first WS word exists in the sentence. So removal of inverted comma, if or WS word will be used as linkers. Now we will discuss with a example. He said to me, "Will you help me?" The reported is started with will. So here we will use if. Said to asked. Will transform into would. You follow second person. Me subject. First person will follow change according to subject, he. So indirect narration will be he asked me if you first we will use it will be changed into assertive sentence. You will follow me. Me means first person. Here will be use me, not, because sentence started with subject. Subjective form of me, I would help me will change in, according to he. Objective form of me, he will be him. He asked me if I would help him. This sentence changed into assertive sentence. Here is interrogative sentence and changed into assertive sentence. Same sentence will transform into with WS word. He said to me, "When will you help me?" Here we will only use when, means WS word. Here the sentence started with auxiliary verb. Here WS word. Asked me when I would help him. So here only here the sentence started with when. During transforming we used only when, not if. So the sentence became, he asked me when I would help him. It is also transformed into assertive sentence. So dear students, you will follow these rules, and I discuss these rules so easily that you can understand it very clearly. Next time we will discuss remaining three kinds of sentence: imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Till then, thank you everybody for watching my online class.